This is your friend Charlotte Samoa Dankwa. I'm back. Today, guys, I have a new recipe for you. And I'm going to see some of my video. I'm subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. You subscribe my videos and everything. Thank you so much. I need more subscribers. So let's do it. Thank you. Okay, today I'm going to make you mango. When I say mango, I think my friend Dominicans, they call them mango. And we Africans, we call them ETO. And now me be fufu ETO mamu modi. Woo! You about where you know so be fufu ta. You say very amazing. So if I show you listen guys, I'm gonna make you mango. I'm gonna make you Africa ETO. It means we use plantain and the red oil. When I say red oil, it's a red palm oil. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use egg. We're gonna use sardines. And the main ingredient, the one make it so different from mango, is this, okay? Salted fish, okay? This is the salted fish. We Africans, we call them Kobe, okay? It's salted fish. I'm gonna use this big onion, 2 big onion, and this hot pepper, only 1. We're gonna boil all of this. We're gonna wait. The plantain. Let me show you the plantain. Maybe when I say plantain, maybe you got plantano. These ones. I'm going to use 3 of them to make this mango, the ETO. Okay? So you guys, we're going to take the skin and we're going to start to boil it. Okay? So let's go. So I'm going to take the skin from the plantain. Be careful. Now you see, I take the skin off from the plantain. Now I'm going to cook it, okay? You're going to pour the water in it. You know how to cook everything. Just pour the water. Okay? So now, I'm going to put the saltfish in there. And I'm going to put the onion. And I'm going to put this pepper. Then I'm going to put the egg. I already washed the egg already. And I already washed the salted fish. Put everything in like that. Okay. Now you see everything come out like that. You cover them. Then you boil it. When the plantain and everything is cooking, you see, I'm gonna start to make the onion and the red oil, okay? So this palm oil, you can buy them in African store. In African store, you go, if you need it, you just tell them you need palm oil. It's like that. I hope you can see it. You see? Yes, that. You guys match like you like. Don't get too much because your food is gonna be too soggy with the. So you get some like that. Let me see if you can see how much I get like that. Then I'm gonna fry the onion. Okay, you see how I chop the onion? I like a lot of onions with it. You see, a lot. And I'm gonna put everything here and I'm gonna fry them. You can make the oil hot or whatever, but I don't want to make the oil hot. I just put everything there and I'm going to fry everything. Okay? So you see, I start to fry my oil. Fry my onion. You can get as much as onion you want, okay? And you can cut it any style you want. I cut my chunks. So everything is boiling. This is the plantain. Egg, salted fish, everything, okay? And when you fry the onions, I don't fry them too soft. I make it like a crunchy, you understand? So you can do it like that. Okay, so when you cook the plantain and you put everything on top of, you put the egg, you put the onions, and you put the hot pepper, and you put the Kobe means the salted fish. Don't cook the salted fish too much, okay? Because the salted fish, in like, let's say, 3-4 minutes, it cook. So we're going to take that one off, okay? All right. You see? You take it off nice and good. Then the rest of them, let them boil it. And when you cook the plantain, let the plantain be soft because you're going to mash the plantain. So when you mash it, if it's hard, it's bad to, you can't do it. So you have to wait and cook them like, I think I have to put time on it. I don't know how long I have to cook this. But, I cook them all the time. So I know how long, If you don't know how long, it's going to just put your hands or get a fork and touch it and see if it's soft. It means it cooked, okay? Okay, in our mango, to mash it, we use this. I don't know how you call it in English, but we call them ayua. It's like blender or something. It's African blend, something blender. Look, something like this. I don't know how to call it. Ask your daddy what do you call this? And you have to pound it with this one too. You have to mash it with this one. So that's what we're gonna do. So now we have to go and take the onion and the pepper, because you guys, when you make mango, you use cheese. We don't use cheese. Some people use fresh peanut to put in top of it. When I'm finished, I'm gonna garnish and you see. But when you're mashing the onion and the pepper, you can put like 1 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of peanut, okay, peanut butter. All right, you see everything here. So I'm gonna mash them. You see, when you cook, everything comes soft. You're gonna mash them. If you want salt, you can put salt in it. But me, I don't want salt, so I don't put salt in it. Because when you put the salty fish, the dried fish, it has salt in it. So it makes the plantain a little bit salty. Not too much salty, but it makes it a little bit salty. So you do it like this. I hope you can see. It's fun though when you're doing it. And you put the peanut butter in it. And you mash everything together. You see? You see, then everything comes soft and nice, you see? Okay, now you finish mash everything. Then you put it aside. Okay, now I'm cooking my onion and my red oil. Let's see how the onion look like. You see, don't cook them too much, you see? And when it's like that, now I'm going to put my sardine. You see my sardine? I'm going to put in the oil with the onions. Everybody do it different way. You see? Now, everything will come like that. Don't fry them too much. You see the onion still crunchy? You see? And leave it just like just only 1 minute. Then fry them with the sardine just 1 minute. Then you turn the fire off. Let the fire go all the way down. Now you see it's ready. So I'm gonna set it aside. I'm gonna turn the fire off. Set it aside. Now let's see our plantain. You see? Okay, now you touch it like this. You see it's soft, but it's not that soft for me. So I'm gonna leave it like 2 more minutes. Then I come back. But for now, I'm gonna remove the egg. So I remove the egg. I'm gonna boil I'm gonna put cold water with the egg. You know how we take the egg skin off. You put a lot of cold water and you make everything, cool off. And you remove the skin. Okay, now I take the plantain off. And now it's soft how I want it, okay? So let me show you how I mash my top, or you call it mangu. Okay, I have this one, it's right here. You're not throwing the hard water off, okay? Leave the hard water in the plantain, so it's still soft in it, okay? So, like that, you see? Then you're mashing them with your peanut butter, your piece of peanut butter, and your onion and your pepper, okay? shoulder hurt. I'm relaxing. Ooh, you know, it's workout, you know. Let's see. You see how it come out? So good. So good. Okay. Let's keep doing it little by little. It's almost done. And you can get a little bit. And you try. Good. Oh my God. Okay. Now, it's finished. I'm going to get my red oil, the palm oil, and I'm going to put it on. You see how the palm oil coming? Look. With the sardine and everything, it looks so great. So first, a little bit like that. The oil first. Just a little bit to massage it. Okay. Let's see the side. Then, let's massage it with it. Be careful. Little by little. You see? Mix the oil. The palm oil. See how it come? It come nice and soft. If you want more oil, just put it. And this oil, because of the onion and the sardine that I put it make it taste different, way different, like my grandmother make it. my grandmother make it local style, but that one tastes so good too. So let's massage them, and everything will come nice. You see now it's soft. It's soft. It's not dry. You see, it's not dry at all. Look. You see? It tastes so good. I'm telling you guys. Try it, please. I want you to try it. And leave comments in my page and say, Charlotte, girl, I try your ETO, the Mangu. Oh, Lord. It tastes so good. So you keep doing like this. Now we're almost done. And I have a little story about this ETO. You know, in Africa, the story my grandmother told me, I'm going to tell you. This ETO, when they make it for you when you are like a young woman, they have someday they can make it special for you. When I say special, it means when they say you are special, like you turning a young woman. When you turn a young woman, let's say when you start to get your period, you are a young woman. So ETO in our tradition, that day, as soon as they see you became a woman, in back home we call it wakwa fichire. Sana mina na kachire me. Efufu to near the kosua mienu anase miensa anabako. It depends do ko a family no benya. Sada me we special. Eti na kosua ya ma mienu efufu to ya de nwa gusu ne nkatie na ya de esi wanim no wadi. And you guys, so you became a woman, then they make you ETO. They make you like 2 or 3 eggs. It depends how egg they can get. It doesn't matter how much you can eat that day, because that day it's your day because you became a woman. So they make ETO. They put peanut, you know, the crunchy peanut. They put peanuts, and some of them put avocado. We call them paya. Avocado, they put avocado, and they put egg, and they put red palm oil. They put everything nice and neat. They put in the same thing like I'm making like that, and they give it to you. They put in front of you, and you eat, and you became a woman. So ETO is something that is special to we African people. Whoever understand. I know our children here, they don't understand, but I always try to tell my daughter what is ETO means. So today, if I'm making ETO, I have to tell you guys how ETO means to me and a lot of my African people. So I almost done. So let me show you how it come out. Then we go everything. Yeah. So now you see it's done. You don't have to massage it too much again. Now it's done. So you guys, we are done to make our ETO. So I want you guys to try this ETO called Mangu in here. My Dominican people call them Mangu. I want you to try it. So some people, I told you, they eat with avocado. We call them paya. But me, I'm allergic to avocado, so avocado don't come near me, so I don't put avocado on it. But you can cut avocado. Oh my God! Before I can eat it with it, but almost like 4 or 5 years now, I'm allergic to pear and all those stuff. So many fruits, I'm allergic to it, so I can't come near me, so I don't eat that. So I'm gonna show you how this come out. I'm telling you, you have to try it. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and give me a thumbs up. And please let me know how you think about my tradition ETO, okay? And you guys call Mangu. So let me give you view. Look at them. You see? Oh my God, look. You see, I put crunchy peanuts in it. And I put my egg. And I put my salted fish. You see the salted fish? It's right there. And I put the onion and the sardines. Look at everything. It looks so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. Let me know how you think. If you want me to do another traditional food, please let me know and I will do it. Thank you so much. Love always.